Morning to everyone. Myself Bindu. I am from CSCA section. Today I want to tell about file system operation. Now we want to discuss file system operations in operating system. Now introduction to the files operating system. File systems. In a file system is a way to organize and store data on a computer. It allows user to create, read, and write delete files efficiently. In this file system, you can write or create any file and write any file, read any file, and you can delete and remove on the file systems. You can do in these file systems. Understanding this file system is essential for managing the data, all the types of devices. In this system, we can see the file system, and this all type of this. Uh, Here one file, how much files we can create. What is a file? File is a collection of a data stored under the unique name. We can store if we have any information file we have. We can save any unique name or else our name, either our any that project name. We can save like that. Files can contain different types of information such as text, images, or programs. Each file can store in a specific location on the storage device. You can see document, XLS, PPT, PDF, JPG, PNG, EPS, PSD, text, IP, uh, MP3, CSS, DLI, HTML, MOV, AVI. Like this, we can create so many files in this file system. Type of file system. Now we see it one by one. There are several types of file systems like NTFS and FAT32 and XT4. Each file system has its own way of organizing data and managing the space. Choosing the right file system is the important for the importance and the complexity. We can see in this figure OS disk file system. First OS to disk to file systems to file. And file system we have size, file, attributes, location, hierarchy, and this all is present in this file system. File operations. Commonly file operations includes creating, opening, closing, and reading and writing. These operations allows users and programs to interact with the files effectively. Each operation may require specific permissions to ensure the data security. And here we can see the example of Word document. We take here new. We create a new and a blanket uh, workbook is present. After we can creating all this data in this table, then we want to save in one file. We want to create one folder. In that folder, we can save as a file name. File permissions. File permissions determine how they can access or modify a file. Commonly, permissions include a read or write and execute for the different users. Probably setting permissions is crucial for protecting the sensitive data. File system maintenance. Regular maintenance helps keep file system running smoothly. Tasks like defragmentation and cleaning up unused files can improve the performance. Backup the files are essential to prevent the data loss for the system failures. Challenges in file systems. File systems can face challenges like fragmentation and cooperation. Fragmentation occurs when files are not stored in continuous spaces. Corruption can result for the improper shutdowns or hardware failures, risking the data losses. Conclusion of this file system. Understand the file system operations like virtual or for effective computer use. Properly file management enhances the probability, productivity, and the data security. A well-maintained file system leads to a better overall user experience. Feel free to use this presentation format to help and explain the file system operations clearly, because we see NTFS, initialize and Vision 1933 features, generalizing file conserving transactions. This all the types of process will happen by the file system. Thank you.